Science knows no country because knowledge belongs to humanity and is a torch which illuminates the world.
A very good morning to respected Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, Academic Coordinator Ma'am, teachers and my fellow mates. Today,
I, Shanti Pandey,
and I, Sharisa Blok, are here to present the special assembly on the topic National Science Day on the behalf of Bluebell House.
To begin with, I would like to call Shubhankar to present the thought for the day.
Good morning. The thought for the day is science may set limits to knowledge, but it should not set limits to imagination. Thank you.
Thank you, Shubhankar, for such a powerful thought.
Now, I would like to call upon Isma to share her views on the topic National Science Day.
A very good morning to everyone. Indian scientists have made significant contributions in various fields of science, from ancient time to modern day innovations. Here are some notable contributions. Charak, a pioneer in Ayurveda, he wrote the Charak Samhita, which describes about various medicinal treatments and human anatomy. C.V. Raman, he discovered the Raman effect, earning a Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. Homi J. Bhabha, he is known as the father of Indian nuclear programs. He played a key role in Indian nuclear development programs. Vikram Sarabhai, he established ISRO and laid the foundation for Indian space programs. Satyendra Nath Bose, he developed the Bose-Einstein statistics in collaboration with Albert Einstein, which led to the concept of Bose-Einstein condensate. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he played a crucial role in Indian missile development and space programs, earning the title of the Missile Man of India. India continues to be a leader in global space research programs with contributions in fields like space, biotechnology, artificial intelligence and sustainable energy. Thank you.
Thank you, Isma. It was quite informative.
Now, I would like to call Nirvin to present a poem on National Science Day.
Good morning, everyone. Atom dance, molecule spin, building block of life within, unraveling secrets one by one. The mystery of science has just begun. Star shines, planets sway. In the universe, a celestial way. Gravity's pulls a force so grand, holds on in its cosmic hand. Science reveals in a wondrous way the secret of universe each day. A never-ending quest to learn and explore the magic of science forever in the store. Thank you.
Thank you, Nirvin.
Let us honor the scientists of past and present whose dedication and relentless pursuit of knowledge have transformed our world. May this day inspire the budding scientists among us and remind us of all the wonders that science continues to unveil.
With this, we come to the end of today's special assembly.